Why does your scanner show the P0226 engine code? What does it mean? P0226 is a diagnostic trouble code for throttle pedal position sensor switch C circuit range performance. This engine code indicates that the vehicle's computer ECM, or PCM, is detecting an issue with the sensor or its circuit that is responsible for measuring the position of the throttle or accelerator pedal. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty throttle pedal position sensor switch, wiring and connection problems, engine control module issues, other potential causes. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Mercedes-Benz A-Class and Ford Ranger XLT. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.